I just love looking at the houses when you drive through it. Everything is so very well manicured. Okay, we're here. Hey. Hey girl. How are you? Yeah. What's going on?
Good to see you.
This house.
Thank you. Yeah, we worked hard on it. You want to come inside?
Oh, please, please.
Yes. I'd love to show you the kitchen. So this is where, you know, obviously we spend a lot of our time. So we've really enjoyed making it a home.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
Thank you so much.
Now, if I cooked, this would be the type of kitchen I'd want to cook in, but I don't.
Still learning, it's fun, we're fun.
So what I thought we'd do today is maybe check out some of the things that you said that you love about your neighborhood. Maybe go check out the front of the neighborhood and end up over by the pool. How's that sound?
Perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Let's go.
I'm excited.
Yay. So we're here in front of course, your neighborhood, right?
Yes.
And I know one of the things that you said that you love about your neighborhood was the fact that it's a gated community. Now, being one of few gated communities in this area, or actually in the city for that matter, what else do you love about your neighborhood?
You know, I just love the sense of community, really. You know, we have an awesome clubhouse with a pool, and just everything is so well maintained. It's very peaceful, you know. So we've really enjoyed it. The security of having the gate, especially, you know, when you're traveling and things like that.
So for the most part, it stays open during the day?
It does, yep, and at night, right? That's correct, yep, the night and the weekend.
I have to confess, I have driven through here a couple times just so I can stare at the houses. So.
Sure, absolutely, I don't blame you, we did too.
No one else does.
We did too, so. You know, we've lived in Onslow County for 12 years, and Jacksonville has been our home for the last 7 to 9 years, and we have really we used to drive through the neighborhood and just say we're going to own in here one day, and the home that we purchased was for sale for a long time, and we just had an awesome opportunity. There was always kids running around and riding their bikes, and you know, it's just really become about family and all of the other families in here.
You went from Northwoods to Northwoods.
We did, a mile and a half down the road. We did, we did.
So you did a move to a forever neighborhood.
Well, it was our forever home. You know, it was one of those things where we were like, if we're buying this, we want it to be our forever home, and that's what that was our goal.
What was that moment like in your household when you're like, okay, we're doing this, we're buying Planner's Lane?
Okay, so it was scary, but we had a vision. You know, we had a vision for that house, and even though it required a lot of work, it was really, we knew we could make it our forever home. It was a team effort between you and my husband. You know, it was.
I was not your agent. You bought my listing, and I was like, you want to do what?
Right.
Okay, we'll do this. We'll do this.
Yeah. So we just, you know, we really made it something that. We can stay forever, and that our children can enjoy, and you know, grandchildren, and all the things that come with owning your forever home.
100%.
So, yeah.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town.
We're here at the clubhouse. Can you tell me if this clubhouse is just for you guys here in the community, or is it something that other people can use also, like maybe if I wanted to come rent it out?
So you actually can, with a sponsor, you can rent the clubhouse out, and it just, someone like myself, a resident that lives here, would have to sponsor you. But you can really, I mean, you could hold anything here. Good, clean fun.
Okay. So what kind of events do they have here?
I mean, I've seen them have baby showers, wedding showers, graduation parties, retirement parties. We've had a few fundraisers here. So there's been a lot of diversity of events that they hold here.
Good community fun.
Yeah,
Yay.
for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the pool's on the back side of the clubhouse, right?
That's correct. Yep.
I had so much fun today. Thank you for taking us into your home. Filming was so much fun, and then telling us all the things that you love about your neighborhood.
Absolutely, I enjoyed having you guys.
Now, I think that this is a cause for celebration, being that it's our 3rd episode.
I agree, I have the perfect thing.